YouTube. Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? This is strictly for YouTube only. All right? This is literally for the YouTube family. If you're part of the YouTube family, comment pips under this video right now. Comment the word pips. Let's get it. If you're a Forex trader, comment the word pips under this video in the comment section. Okay? I'm going to be posting a lot of videos, a lot of knowledge, a lot of value, a lot of free shit. Okay? A lot of free stuff. All right? So this video, we're going to be talking about the new updated version of the Bruce's price predictor. You feel me? So this, out of all these indicators, right? We're going to be talking about this one right here. The Bruce's price predictor. And if you don't know, my name is Bruce Webb. Okay? That was awkward. But let me check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So to get to where I'm at right here, I'm on MetaTrader 4. So if you have a Mac, like I do, I have a Mac. I'm on a Mac right now. And it's really hard to get MetaTrader 4 and to have your market show on your MetaTrader 4. Let's say you do get it on your Mac. Okay, so what you need to do is download MetaTrader 4 from tradersway.com. Don't use, I'm not saying you have to use the broker Traders Way. You don't have to use an account, but you have to go to their website and download their MT4 platform. Then you can log in any broker into your into that account. You feel me? All right. So to get to where I'm at now, to see all the products, indicators, libraries, expert advisors, robots, all that crap. Let me show you. So you come up here, click File, go to View, click Terminal. Okay, this is the terminal. Click Terminal, View, click Terminal. All right, or you can just hold Control T. Control T. All right, so let's talk about today the Bruce's price predictor. Author Bruce Webb. All right, this is a non-repainting arrow indicator, okay? Let me show you, if you want to make money every day trading Forex, pretty much, you need this indicator, pretty much. If you're trying to get rich, you need this indicator. If you're trying to make money trading by yourself without needing no signals or nothing, without, you know what I'm saying, depending on nobody, you need this indicator. Look at the price. It's only $100 for a year. $50 for a month. So that's a no-brainer. Get it for a year. You know what I'm saying? Get the thing for the year. It does not repaint. Let's get into it. It's a couple of screenshots right here. Let me show it to you. That's not even updated, y'all. See, that's not even updated. But Bruce's price predictor right here, it's not updated on my side. But go right here, get the indicator. That's where it goes. Let's talk about it now, okay? So to get rid of this at the bottom, we're going to click Control T. Boom, gone just like that, magic. All right, let's talk about it. So this is GBP USD 15-minute chart, right? So these are period separators for the people that don't know. Period separators, period separator, period separator. This is the start of a new day, okay? This is the start of a new day. So every single day, you're going to have a trend, down or up, pretty much. Down or up, right? Down or up every day. So the indicator is going to tell you which direction it's going to go, right? Of course, you only want to focus on in direction of trend, right? So if you know trend is going down, you should only focus on the sales, right? So today was a beautiful signal. Look at this. Market literally opened this day, started a new day right here, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Gave us a buy arrow that you ignore because it's counter trend. You don't focus on against trend trades. Then boom, it gives you an arrow down. This would alert you. Boom, boom, GBP/USD. Bruce's price predictor says sell on the 15-minute chart. You will enter. It spikes up 6 pip drawdown. By the end of the day, it goes down 57 pips, man. One entry, 57 pips, people. You feel me? And so what I use to determine the trend is the 100 MA linear weighted close. 100 MA linear weighted close. Now, this is just a free strategy I'm giving out for the indicator. I have I teach my advanced strategy to my diamond members and to my gold members. You go to my website at tradewithbruce.com to see what other indicators I put on my chart to give us even more confidence when we're entering trades. Okay, so go to tradewithbruce.com or message me on Facebook, Bruce Webb. You'll see me. I'm the only one, Bruce Webb. You know, I'm at the top, the active page, over 10,000 followers on Facebook. Page maxed out. You'll know the difference between mine and a fake. You feel me? So Bruce Webb. So if you want the advanced strategy, what I actually use myself to get into trades, in addition to this, then message me. But other than that, this 100 MA and this Bruce's price predictor is literally all you need. Let's say you only focus on direction of trend, right? So if trend is respecting 100 MA on this side, right? That's a buy. So you focus on the buys. You don't worry about these sells. So this buy off the 100 MA shoots up 40 pips. Let's just say 38 pips. Shoots up 38 pips, and this was the day before Halloween, right? Shoots up 38 pips, then what? Shoots down 11 pips, even lower down to 26 pips, right? That's a 26 pip trade. Then later in the end of the day, it tells you to buy it again. Buy it. Buy arrow. 6 pip drawdown. Immediately goes up by 14 pips. Into the next day, it goes up 40 pips. You know what I'm saying? The thing just spits out money. You just got to use it logically. Filter out the signals, which is good as bad, which is good or which are bad based on the trend direction. You feel me? If you focus on trend direction, get my advanced strategy so you can see what other indicators we use to know when price is really ready to go up or really ready to go down. You feel me? It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Look at this. Of course, you don't focus on the sell, but no, it has to go down closer to the MA, 100 MA. You take the buy signal, 15 pips instantly, and it goes up by 37 pips. See that buy here? Goes up by 45 pips. Even better. You know what I'm saying? This is a print money machine. Let's go to the 30-minute. Let's look at other time frames. 30-minute, okay? Over here, hour chart. Pretty much the higher you go, the less arrows you're gonna get. You feel me? Less arrows, less choppy, because there's less data, less candles. So let's say the 1 hour chart, right? The last 2 signals on the 1 hour chart alone, if you stayed on the 1 hour chart alone, the buy signal set 8 pip drawdown and it goes up by 80 pips, right? One day goes up by 80 pips. Beautiful. Next day you get a signal. Sell. Today it went down by 57 pips. All right? So 80 up, 57 pips down. That's a no-brainer. So now there's people that don't want to see any drawdown. That want to get the best precise entry possible. So this is what you do. You wait till you get an alert on the 1 hour chart. Then you go down to the lower time frame and wait till you get an arrow that same direction on the lower time frame, right? So it's got to make sense. So go down to the 30. So I put a line on our 1 hour chart arrow. So any arrow down here is our next big lot entry for a sell. And there you have it. Today was the entry, 1 hour chart, arrow. Next, you wait for a 15-minute chart, arrow in the same direction. 6 pip drawdown, goes down by 56. You catch the whole move. So now that, of course, you need more data to go get arrows. So let's go down to the 5-minute. Look at live price right now. Look at this, y'all. Live price. Okay. You know the 30-minute chart has to come back to the 100 MA to do a pullback to continue down, right? So you know you got at least 30 pips, 37 pips of leeway that it can easily shoot up. So what if you take 15 of those, right? With the plan down on the lower time frame and take a buy only in that direction. Okay. So let's say you waited today, waited for the buy to give you an arrow, 2 pip drawdown, you'll be up 7 pips right now. You feel me? This is what you need literally to make money every single day. These arrows do not repaint. When you see an arrow close and you see this arrow right here, it never moves from that spot ever again. So let's say, of course, we know it's a sale. We're taking all these sales off the 100 MA. Sell here, 4 pip scalp. Scalp. Sell here, 7 pip scalp. Sell here, 7 pip scalp. See, now with the indicator, we're holding it 20 pips. If you don't get another buy signal, we're holding it 20 pips. And of course, let it come back to the 100 MA. Caught this trade here, 15 pips, right? Another 100 MA tap with the arrow, either here, catch 20, or wait for the arrow and catch 11 without stress. Feel me? Okay. Sell. See, with my criteria, you got to trade up closer to the 100 MA. I don't want you taking trades down here when the arrow says it. Take trades up here closer. So this next arrow off the 100 tab, if you didn't enter off the 100 tab, enter off the arrow, 2 pip drawdown, goes down by 28 pips. Come on. Like it's a money printing machine, literally. All right, you want to look at another pair? Cool. Look, now we're looking at NZD/USD, y'all. NZD/USD, same 100 MA, linear weighted close. Okay. All right. So the day opens, huge buy. Like, just trust the indicator, y'all. Like, literally, 27 pips. Boom. So forget the sell. Now that we see the trend, focus on the buy. Goes up 8 pips. Now the trend changes. Okay. Trend changes. It breaks out of the 100. As you get an arrow, it breaks out. So why not enter, what, 5 pip, 10 pip stop loss, 8 pip stop loss? Boom, goes down by 20 pips, 40 pips. You know what I'm saying? 40 pips right here. Cool, you get out. 40 pips is beautiful. Next, you get a buy signal that you ignore. Next sell signal, you take it. Go and get in. Another 25 pips. Come on, y'all. It doesn't get any easier than this. Use this indicator with logic, and you can't lose, man. Like, seriously, find the sweet spot. So look, this line right here. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, smooth, huge. It's a big range right here, right? But when it's not ranging, look how beautiful it is. Straight down, straight up. Price goes straight down, right? Alert, get in for a sale. 68 pips, no drawdown. 1 pip of drawdown on the 1 hour chart. Then it ranges, changes trend direction. But it still tells you the last signal to go the hell up. 70 pips up, 100 pips up. Crazy. Catch it down on the 1 hour chart. 35 pips. Crazy. So guess what? Or you cannot trade the arrows on the hour chart and wait and go down. Use a strategy from use the 1 hour chart as the guide. Now go down on the lower time frame and wait for another same direction signal. Okay, so we got our line there. Got our line there. Go to the 30. All right, so now we're looking for a sell signal past the 30. I mean, past this line. 15-minute chart, no arrow. Keep going. 5-minute chart. Uh-oh, we got an arrow. So this is our 1 hour chart signal. We left all these pips on the table to get a secure entry. Here, enter, no drawdown. Goes down by 20 pips. You drop 10 lots, that's $2,400. Easy, y'all, with a $100 a year indicator. I'm giving y'all the juice, seriously. Let's say we go down even more. Let's go get a 1 minute entry after our 1 hour chart alert. Now, look how fast we get into the trade now. So you forget about the buy, 100 tap, then it drops with the arrow. First arrow, then you hold it based on the hour chart. So you're up 17 pips right here. And of course, it goes down so much farther. So 1 hour, so 1 minute entry, 2 pip drawdown, and it goes down by 37 pips. No brainer. It's a no-brainer, y'all. Go get the indicator, Bruce's price predictor. I just want to make this easier for everybody so everybody can make fucking money by yourself. Literally, that's the goal. So literally, everybody hit Control T. Go to market at the bottom. Click indicators. You'll see me right here, Bruce's price predictor. Go get it. You need it. All right, y'all. I'm about to post this on the YouTube. Let's get it. If you watch this whole video, like this video, comment pips. Let me know if you watch this whole video. Comment pips if you're ready to get these pips every single day. Let's grow. Let's grow, team. Seriously. All right. Subscribe to this channel if y'all want more videos. And we posting more fire, more knowledge for free. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. All I'm out.